Okay guys, so I just woke up and it snowed last night. I'm pretty sure it didn't snow that much, like maybe half an inch or an inch, but Georgia never gets snow. And most last night it was sleeting, so, you know. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty outside. Y'all are gonna have to see. Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go outside. Anyways, before we go outside, I have to heat up my breakfast, which is already set out for me. Dinosaur oatmeal, yes, because I'm still 3 years old. And I love dinosaur oatmeal, so. Okay, so after I eat my breakfast, I don't know what I'm gonna do because my mom's asleep, my sister's asleep, everyone's asleep, except for my dad. He went to work, but I think my cousins are gonna come over and then we're gonna play, obviously, in the snow. So, but there's not that much snow, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Hey guys, so my cousin just called me, and good news, as soon as they all wake up, they are coming over here to play in the snow. His dad is gonna come drive the four-wheeler while we're on the sled. Also, I'm gonna show you this cute bird. Oh, it went away. It was on the ledge and it was adorable. Although there are a lot of birds out there and they're adorable too. I found it. Hello, little bird. Anyways, they should be coming soon, but maybe like an hour or two. Their mom and his sister haven't woken up yet, so it might be a couple minutes. Also, Chloe could get out of here if she wouldn't bark and wake up my mom, because like she is causing problems, right, Chloe? So are you. You're crazy. Oreo. Okay guys, so it's like 11, I'm guessing 11:40 right now, and I'm getting hungry, so I'm cooking me some food, and Davis and Nolan might be coming over, might not. Just depends if the roads are too icy or not, so yeah.
my pee-pee spot hurt. Your pee-pee? My pee-pee spot hurt. Oh, my bad. Okay, so that was very hurting, and I'm still gonna look like this the whole video. So get used to it. Woo! Okay, delete that out of this video. Here we go. Ah! Oh my God! Hey, we can hang our Enos out here again. Hit that four-wheeler! Get out of here! Under me. Hello! You will not. Okay, did you hear that? She promises. If she don't promise, give this video a thumbs down because, you know, she promised, but then she said, then she probably won't promise because, you know, yeah, so, here she comes. The Psychomania path. Okay, she's back from that side there. Okay, she promised, so we're good. Okay. What do you mean? Oh, there's Chloe. Hey, Chloe. You want to get on the sled with me? No, you don't. Oh! Here we go again. They probably can't recognize anything I say because I sound like I don't believe them. Chloe! You couldn't even see her probably. Ah! You're gonna run over Chloe. There you go. Chloe! Chloe! Look at my feet! Sydney! Look at my That was 4 minutes of me sledding. So. Okay, guys, it's me. It's not turn.
Oh, don't go that bad, and be careful. There's ice. Don't slip. Just don't turn too sharp. Don't turn too sharp. The foot is your brake. Yeah. Okay. Don't go down there. Be careful! Oh my gosh! She broke the four-wheeler. She broke it. Victoria. She broke the four-wheeler. It looks like I'm gonna have to drive from now on. She broke it.
No, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I don't know how to work it. You got so much stuff on here. You're gross. Did I actually break it? That's how you get a four-wheeler to work, guys. Victoria breaks it. Hey! Let go! City's not on here anymore, so hey.
Okay guys, so as you can tell my face is red because we were just outside sledding. We came in for some lunch, some chili. We got sour cream, cheese on that, got some Fritos, and we got a lot of footage out there until our sled broke while I was on it.
Yeah.
But that's okay. So we're just gonna eat our lunch. I don't know if we're gonna go out again. Maybe. It's still like 1:30, so we might go out. Also, I forgot to mention, Davis and Nolan didn't end up coming over. Their mom and dad were too scared of the roads, which I agree on, because we were sliding on the roads just a minute ago.
Showing how to slide and then boys do you.
Anyways, we might go out, but who knows. Okay guys, Victoria, it's about 5:30 or 5:40. The sun goes down at 6 o'clock. We're getting our last sled in for the day.
Yep.
But we're probably gonna say goodbye now because, you know, we don't know.
See you guys on the other side.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.